Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your issue. Issue is that in the Temu app, your payment failed while shopping. So how you can resolve that issue? Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go to the settings of the iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that you just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe your iPad, and after that simply just scroll it down in the general section and you see that there's an option of VPN and device management. Simply just tap on that and just disconnect VPN from here. So you're facing issue because you just connect with VPN and you're just getting the error during that payment. So they gonna not verify your location, so that's why your payment gonna error getting the error. And also tap on a reset and just reset the network settings from here. After that simply just go back again back and simply just go back and just tap on the Temu app and just make sure that it's updated the version of the Temu. If it not updated the version, simply just remove the app from here and just simply just go to the app store and just again search of Temu. Just tap on that and just download the Temu from here and just simply just go to the Temu and sign in and just getting the shopping and get your make sure that you're just using the card one which you don't have enough balance. So because today nowadays many scammers trying to scam your card j- through that websites and apps just like that Temu and many more. So make sure you just have to secure your credit card and getting that one credit card which don't have enough balance, and for the shopping you just have a minimum balance, so you can simply just getting the shopping and your balance gonna zero. So you're using that type of card on that websites and apps. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.